Good morning, student. Ninth class. So now, today I start the topic Nazim and rise of Hitler. This chapter is the most important for every student or history wise. So only three chapters in this year. Three chapters are in your course. First French Revolution, second Russian Revolution. It is the last chapter of your course. So every students this chapter see in the video. Otherwise, final exam you have to the problem. Those students not be careful or those are careless, they are more affected. In this way, every student this video see again to again. So now, Nazi and Hitler, First World War. Before the first topic, First World War to Second World War. Between this period, what are the conditions of Germany? Because in the First World War, Germany are brutally hated, and all in the decision of Versailles, Treaty of Versailles, the Britain and France, Russia give the decision against the unhumanitarian decision of Germany. So Germany in this time, the Weimar Republic, they are badly hated because they have heavy loan to another country loan, and also day by day their income is very low, currency cost is day by day fall. So now we discuss what are the effects of the war. Germany was more affected in this after the First World War. Not only physically but also financially they are affected. Physically wise, if you see that all the physical division like as coal, petroleum and iron deposit, all are controlled by France and Britain. But some part Poland also control. Financially wise also the cost of currency is day by day decline, and also in this war businessmen also affected, or most of the civilian also affected, but most of the soldier also affected in this war. The soldier give the duty like a sin. So soldier rank are day by day decline. This system is known as a proletarialization. Many times, what is proletarialization? When the rank are reduced of the soldier, that is known as proletarialization. So, effect of the war in the First World War, Germany are brutally hated. So now Germany, every side destroyed. They have 13% colonies. They are covered with Poland and France. Their R&D deposit also controlled, and also their coal deposit also controlled by them. So in this war, soldier, civilian, businessmen, most of the people are badly affected. Second point, political radicalism. Political radicalism wise, also Germany politics wise also affected. Because the Russia, they control to the eastern part of Germany. Their army, they sent the French army to Berlin and Russia want to the Soviet style government in Germany. It is a political radical. And second time, in this period, in the political radicalism wise, Soviet style government also known by Russia in the Germany, and Weimar Republic is totally disturbed. Day by day their rate of interest is very high. And in 1923, the year of 1923, the gold deposit also controlled by Britain. In Germany, gold deposit rule also controlled. So after the 1923, the Weimar Republic refused to pay the compensation of tax. So after the compensation of tax reduced, and totally the compensation refused by the Weimar Republic, so the currency day by day declined. What currency declined? So now, in this period after the 1923, the one US dollar cost is in the month of April 24,000 euro, and in the March and in the July 3,53,000 is equal to $1. In August 46,21,000 cost of $1, and after the December $1 cost is going on 98 crore 86 lakh. So it means the currency value is totally reduced. $1 cost is 98 lakh rupees marks. So the value of currency of Germany is totally dismissed. So in this way, political wise and currency wise, also Weimar Republic totally dismissed in this period. So now we discuss in this topic effect of the war. War, two countries, Britain and France, they are against the Germany entity. So in this topic, we discuss the effect of the war. First World War started. Now I discuss the 1914 to the 1918. In this time, the First World War started in Europe. So mostly German country, Germany is totally disturbed in this period. Continue 1918 to 1945. Between this period, Germany was totally disturbed because Germany not agree the decision. Because Germany want to the equal decision. War not alone, war fight by the Germany, but war against also the France and Britain. So Germany want to the equal compensation provide to the another country, but it is unhumiliated decision. Because all the war compensation, France, Britain, USSR, Italy, all war compensation, only Germany, Weimar Republic give that. So it is an unhumiliated decision. So now, today we discuss only two topics. So every student every day see the picture, otherwise you have to problem in the 9th final exam. Those students very careless in SST subject. Why SST not a easy subject, it is very typical and knowledgeable subject. In this way, every student give the most important to social science subject. Thank you. Like this.